Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 face mask hacks to make your mask fit better and to give you better protection. So let's get to it. Let's learn how to improve your surgical mask fit to eliminate the gaps in between. Fold the mask in half, lengthwise, so that the bottom and top strip are edge to edge. Take one ear loop and make it a knot as close as possible to the corners of the mask. Unfold the mask and adapt the flexible nose bridge to your nose and adjust as needed. You will see that the mask puffs out more than it did before. Here's a little tip if you're wearing earrings with a hoop that has an open end that doesn't go all the way around the back. You can use those as your mask holder, and should try this if you don't have a mask chain or carrying case. Let's look at the next tip. There's a product out there called Mask Bracket. This mask constantly moves around and rubs against your face, but the mask bracket will create enough breathing room inside to allow you to talk easily. You don't have to give up lipstick anymore. Out of mask brackets? No problem. Just look for cable ties or zip ties and cut them down accordingly to match the inseam length of your face mask. Try to put the zip tie in the middle, and it will give you a bit more structure and breathing room. Simple, right? In hack number 5, we are going to show you guys how to alleviate pressure on the ears to easily make sure that there's no pain when you're wearing the face mask. Simply attach a paper clip or other type of clip to the end of each loop. Then pull the little loops to the back of your head and fasten together with the clips, so the loops never wrap around your ears. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Have a beautiful day and stay safe. Hit the like button and be sure to subscribe as well. We really appreciate your support.